Starting with the first lazy method on our list, which is going to be this website right here. It's called leakefirlike.org. I recently discovered 6 lazy ways to make money online and generate passive incomes even as a complete beginner. In fact, I already tried some of these methods myself and I will show you my results as well. Basically, this service allows you to get social media engagement like comments, follows, likes, and other things. However, in order to get that engagement, you must also exchange social media engagement with other users. As you can see, they support all major social media networks, including Facebook and Instagram, and you get likes and followers from actual people. Now what I mean by that is that you want to go here and start liking and commenting on other people's posts and images. You then get credits for that, and what you do with those credits is exchange them for likes on your own social media accounts. However, here's a special tip for you so that you don't even have to do this work yourself. Which is this bot right here that you can install and it will do all the work for you. This Like for Like bot will allow you to generate those credits without actually doing the work yourself. In essence, the bot will be engaging on other people's social media accounts, leaving likes and comments instead of you. Once you exchange those credits for your own social media account and grow your account, what you can then do is sell your account on one of these platforms: TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram accounts. You can sell your account here for a minimum of $100, as you can see from the accounts that were just listed 3 hours ago. Let's move on to the next lazy method on our list: affiliate marketing using YouTube Shorts and TikTok short videos. The best method to do this is to simply visit this website called clickenshort.com. I've done it myself for the past 5 or 6 months, and I made $3,540 with only one product on the affiliate platform Digistore 24. You can easily generate YouTube Shorts and Reels with just a few clicks here. All you have to do is upload a long-form YouTube video, and this website will convert it into a variety of YouTube Shorts that you can then share to various social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and so forth. From there, you can use that traffic to your advantage by making the most of your website's increased visibility. In order to proceed to the third method, which I have also tried myself, make sure you like the video and let me know from what country you are watching it. Since I also use an AI voice for this channel, many of you may be wondering if AI voice can be used for YouTube monetization. I also notice some people claim that AI voice cannot be used to monetize videos, however that is completely false. The only thing you need to do now is visit the website scriptai.com, which will create professional YouTube scripts for you in just a few clicks. You can start a free trial from this page, and once you have generated your script, post it to your YouTube channel. I've had this channel for years now, and I've never had a single problem with monetization. The next step is creating an AI voiceover with that script we'll be using for that 11labs.com, which will enable you to create human-like voiceovers. All you have to do is paste your script right here and then click this button. For instance, let me say something random here and let's hit play to hear how it sounds. It's nice. You can also click here to select from different voices that they have. When you want to download the audio, click this button. Now let's move on to method number 4 on our list, and we are going to be using for it this freelance website that is called peopleperhour.com. This is a platform where people offer their services, and they get paid for them, so you don't have to do the hard work yourself, and you can also sign up here for completely free. By the way, this is not even my favorite way of making money online, so keep watching until the end because the last method will literally blow your mind. You can literally do what this person is doing here and, as I've shown you, you don't have to do it manually. This allows you to scale your business and work with a lot of people quickly. Additionally, because ChatGPT is free, you can charge people less than $50 and still make a lot of money. For instance, this person here, who is making $50 per day, can charge people $20 instead of $50. REV.com is the fifth way to earn money online. It's another freelance website where you can perform transcription work for others and get paid. Basically, people upload audio files, videos, podcasts, and even music here, and your job is to convert those files into text. As you can see here, you can make $1.5 per minute doing this. Like I said, all you have to do is watch the video and then transcribe everything it says. If you stick with me, however, I'll show you another tool that can do this job so you don't even have to write the text yourself. Now, as you can see here, they already have over 700,000 people here, proving that the site is 100% legit. To register, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now, here is the AI tool that can do this transcription work much faster and even better than you. It's called RhythmX.com, and you can just click here where it says Start Trial to start converting audio files to text with just one click of a button. You can also then edit it with ChatGPT just a few clicks later. You will get paid weekly to your PayPal account, and they also have unlimited jobs for you that you can choose from. Now let's talk about the final passive income on our list, which is my favorite and which I'm currently experimenting with. To do this, go to a freelance marketplace like Fiverr where you can find people who are paying money to have their podcast edited. The problem that these people have is that they have to wait 5 or 6 days for this to happen, as you can see. People pay between $15 and $40 for these podcasts, which is a tool that allows you to edit podcasts with the click of a button. You can literally just find a client on Fiverr or other freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Freelancer.com, and when they pay you $20 or $40 to edit their podcast, you can just come back to this website, and it will finish the job for you in just a few minutes.